Hello, everybody. Thank you for returning to my YouTube channel. All right, let's get right into this. So remember them Coast Guardsmen? It was their commander who had come out and said that their Coast Guard ship was trailed by 30 unknown drones. Whatever reason, they knew these things were not of any typical known origin. There was something mysterious about them. But the Pentagon then came out, the White House came out and said they were mistaken. The Coast Guard men were mistaken. These were conventional craft. They just mistook them. And this did not go well with the Coast Guardsmen. They said the White House is making stuff up after his vessel was tailed by a fleet of drones. In the article, I'll read some of it. There are some very irate Coast Guardsmen down in Barnegat Light, New Jersey. Federal officials have shrugged off accounts from the U.S. Coast Guard members that their 40-foot-long rescue vessel was trailed by a fleet of 12 to 30 drones while patrolling the Atlantic Ocean early this month. And that's not sitting well with the sailors who witnessed the mysterious swarm. It's the implication that's insulting, says the Coast Guard member, who spoke on a condition of anonymity. It's implying that we're making, I can't say the word, I'll say stuff up. They used a stronger word than that. When the ones making up the stuff are down in Washington, D.C. The sailor spoke to the Post days after the FAA imposed a temporary flight restrictions over parts of New Jersey and New York. He said he was one of the 12 crew members on board that night. So what we're seeing is a massive cover-up now, it seems, happening. Now, again, I wasn't there. I don't know what they saw. One can, come up with a lot of conclusions, but I'm going to trust the Coast Guardsmen. These are seasoned service members. I'm sure they've seen lots of different craft. Unmanned aerial vehicles, both military and civilian. So if they're saying they were chased by something unknown, we need to take that into serious accountability. All right, everybody, let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel, but I want to hear your comments on this. So like, share, and subscribe. All right,